All right. So, hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. So, today I'm having a very a good game to show you, which has happened in a Speed Chess Championship. Yesterday, I was watching that game against the Hikaru Nakamura versus the Peter Swidler. So, let's get started to the game over there. So, let's quickly start the game. So, the game was a very brutal game. So, I'll just start with this, and if you see, this is something you will never see, and it will something a trolling to the opponent, I would say. And then I'll just start quickly and I'll go one by one. I don't want to waste much time over there, so I'll just go with the some of the lines and let's see then further what has happened. What I wanted to show is the important structure which I have seen against the both side when this pawn reach over here. So that is something a big stuff over there to show you guys, and that is what I wanted to show in the game. And how can you save the game, or if your opponent blunders, how you will save the game. So here Peter Sidler decides to go for the long castle, and castle happens, knight moves over there. Some reroute stuff was going on, and Hikaru decides to go for a break, and Peter Sidler declined with that, and maybe go for this some attack with that. So, but Black said, okay, I'll keep on saving, and surprising is that Hikaru goes for a short castle, where if you see both ends right now the white king is in a safer position, but if you after some time you will see this knight. This is something a good outpost for a knight, and this is also known as octopus knight. If I also say such things in many of my videos, where if you see this is a beautiful outpost for a knight. And let's see what has happened. This is a very long game, and I'll quickly try to cover up. And the idea of this is to just go further, and now if you see it has started over there, and Hikaru decided not to take over there and go further on that line. So that's okay, that is something possible over there. And then just I'll just keep on moving until what I wanted to show. Now that is what I was saying. Now if you see, this is what both sides are having. Okay, not only white, you're also getting this after pushing over there. So what a beautiful pawn chain. So I have never seen such a, I have seen, but not get a chance to find it in my games or something. And Hikaru decides here to take, and then takes bishop goes over there, not allowing for any stuff over there, but first develop over there to go out in that idea. Hikaru offering a rook trades over there, and he declined. Then he said, okay, I'll take, no worries. Some reroute happen over there with the queen, and I just wanted to show you the line where the big blunder happens. So these are some movements happen over there. It's still a unclear position where who will win. It's just a 1+ for a white, but again it is a Hikaru, so anything can possible over there. So let's see further. Yeah, and here a beautiful thing happened, that Hikaru should have not take over there. He thought that the knight will take, but it didn't happen. The king comes over there, and what a beautiful thing that you are coming over there to win. And you are near to these pawns where you will get a passer, not only single passer, double passer. So you will see in that eventually Hikaru was trying to attack on this pawn, and he did took over there. And then white decides to take, and now if you see just takes happen. It's still unclear, it's just a 1.5 showing, but here this is something, one of the move where white has missed the opportunity. Maybe let me just find the move for this. So in this position you have to go back actually, or king to b5, something move has to be played to keep over their advantage, but somehow white didn't go for that, and goes with some idea to take over here, maybe or come over here, something like that. Yeah, it goes for that, and then just knight. So he also rerouting the knights, and it was like just movement going over there. And now see what a move. So now here you are getting a two passers, Now if you take and you'll just sacrifice or something is possible over there. So Nikor was just trying to come somewhere or defend the pawn to just push further. Takes happen, and then Peter Sudler offer queen trade. So in this position, queen trades are very good for Hikaru, so that he can just go further and maybe sack the rook, and he also push further, and white decided to sack the rook for a pawn and he can go the passers. Let's see what has happened. Rook sack, and knight takes the pawn over there, and I don't know why he played. He has to come back, I guess, but anyway, that one was a losing over there, and Peter Sudler got some ideas over there with the checks. And the idea was to, why he gave the check, because he wanted to push the pawn further and get another passer over there. And if you see the board and the analysis, it is almost a 5 plus for a white. But for some reason, I'll show you where he made a blunder. And that one was a big blunder in the board. So this was a check again to not allow king enter anywhere and just come back. And then Peter Sudler just pushed the pawn further. And now if you see, you are having a 2 passers. You are winning over there. So you just need to be, play accurate over there. Yeah, this check was possible, not allow you to king entering over here. So he decides to go back, and now pawn push. So he promoted a queen. Alright, so we are having one queen on the board, and another queen is about to get promoted with this pawn, and but here after a pawn push, Peter Sudler made a big blunder. Can you spot a move? Or I'll show you the move, and maybe I'll give you. Now see the bar don't like it because it is something equal position now, but you have to find a move over here. I'll give you a couple of seconds to find a good move over here for white, and that one is instantly winning. So alright, so I'll show you the move. The move is knight over here, which is a savior move. If you promote over there a queen, I'll promote another queen, and that's it. You're having a 2 queens and it's just a 1 queen, and now you'll give some checks, but again it is something easy position for white because of these 2 queens on the board. But he captured over there. Where is that? Yeah, let me just show you. So captures happen over there, and he promoted another queen. There is another queen on the board, and takes, and he found a check. What a check! So after the check, you're losing this knight as well. So takes happen, and then it was like, it was a draw. Nothing can happen with the 2 knights over there. You cannot deliver a checkmate. So that is what I wanted to show you in the game. The game was brutal, and there were a lot of ups and down possibility over there, and somehow white missed a chance. That is, Peter Sudler has to play the knight onto the e8 in order to save and make another queen, and that was a winning position. It is, but this is a blitz game. 3+1 was that, but again it was something a learning from a game. So I thought that you guys also learned something from a game. Let me know in the comments, guys, how was the video, how was the game. You may see little lag, apologies for that. I'm trying to bring a good system, but for now whatever I have, I'm trying to show you. So let me know in the comments, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Do like, share, subscribe.